The bNAber Neutralization Workbench, or Neutbench, is an interactive toolbox for analyzing neutralization data. One goal of the Neutbench is to bring together existing and newly developed tools in bNAber into a shared workspace. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the new Neutbench tools, including cumulative distribution plots, heat maps, and multi-study summarization tables. The Neutbench is currently separated into three major regions: study selection and uploads, tool selection, and tool-specific parameter selection. The initial data selection consists of a drop-down menu. This drop-down interface displays information pertaining to each study, including the name of the study, linked PubMed identifier, an abbreviated author name and year. Subsequent analysis will depend on this selected data set. Dynamic uploads for user data are planned for future updates. Tool example number 1, Cumulative Distribution Plot. The cumulative distribution plots provide on-the-fly analysis of the neutralization levels of viruses as successfully greater antibody doses are introduced. After selecting a study of interest, in this case, study number 4, we can select one or more antibodies and one or more viruses. To select multiple items from the drop-down menu, you have to use the control on the PC computer or the command on a Mac computer. We recommend that you select the log transform option and use all viruses for best performance. After clicking Submit, the cumulative distribution plots for your selected antibodies are generated. The cumulative distribution plot displays % neutralized viruses on the left axis and either IC50 or their log transposed values on the horizontal axis. Each color curve represents a selected antibody's ability to neutralize viruses across different concentration levels. Strong, broad neutralizers tend to appear at the top left of the plot. In these cases, small antibody doses elucidate strong neutralization against multiple viruses. Click the Return button to go back to the neutralization workbench. Tool example number 2 and 3. Heat maps and level plots. Two heat map tools are included for visualizing neutralization data. Heat maps have been classically used in the analysis of other data types, such as gene expression microarray and proteomics data. The heat map and level plot heat maps provide clustering and visualization for neutralization data. Currently, the heat map viewer provides transposing and log adjustment options with default clustering. Select a study, click Heat Map, then select one or more viruses and antibodies, then click Submit. Select a study, click Heat Map, then select one or more viruses and antibodies, and click Submit. For this video, we will select all viruses and all antibodies. The heat maps are dynamically generated based on your selections. On the screen, you will see the clustered heat map of neutralization data, with the antibody names as shown on the right-hand side. Under the image, there is a color-coded map that shows the color range. The level plot is a tool that is similar to the heat map tool. More options will be available in future updates, including dynamic visualization of user-uploaded data. If you are interested in watching part 2 of this video, please select the next video clip on multi-study comparison tables and paired heat maps.